What happens when multiple components are connected one after another in a circuit? Does the current split? Does the voltage stay the same everywhere? In this video, we'll learn how series circuits work and why understanding them is essential before moving on to more complex electrical systems. A series circuit is one of the most fundamental circuit configurations in electrical engineering. In a series circuit, components are connected end to end so that there is only one path available for current to flow. Because there is only a single path, every electron that passes through one component must also pass through all the other components in the circuit. This creates an important rule. The current is the same everywhere in a series circuit. Series circuits can contain many different types of components, such as resistors, lamps, switches, or sensors. Regardless of the component type, the current must flow through each element sequentially before returning to the source. One useful way to identify a series circuit is to check whether there are any branches. If there are no alternative paths for current, the circuit is operating in series. Understanding this simple structure is important because many more advanced circuit concepts are built on the behavior of series connections. To understand how a series circuit works, imagine connecting a battery and several resistors in a single loop. When the battery creates a voltage difference, an electric field is established throughout the entire circuit. This electric field causes electrons to move, creating current. Since there is only one path available, the same current must pass through every resistor in the loop. However, while the current remains the same, the voltage does not. Each resistor consumes part of the available electrical energy. As current passes through a resistor, a voltage drop occurs across that component. The total voltage supplied by the source is therefore divided among all the components in the series path. If you add all the voltage drops together, they equal the source voltage. This relationship between current and voltage is one of the most important characteristics of series circuits and forms the basis for many circuit calculations. A useful analogy for a series circuit is a train moving along a single railway track. Imagine several train cars connected together. Every car follows exactly the same path because there is only one track available. If the train moves, all cars move together. If the train stops, all cars stop. Current behaves similarly in a series circuit. Since there is only one path, the same current flows through every component. Now imagine that one section of the railway track is removed. The train can no longer continue its journey because the path is broken. The same thing happens in a series circuit. If one component fails or becomes disconnected, the entire current path is interrupted and current stops flowing everywhere in the circuit. This analogy helps explain two important properties of series circuits: identical current throughout the circuit and complete dependence on a continuous electrical path. Series circuits are widely used in engineering when a controlled current path is required. They are especially useful for understanding circuit behavior, testing components, and creating voltage division networks. One common engineering application is the voltage divider. By placing resistors in series, engineers can create smaller voltages from a larger supply voltage. This technique is used extensively in sensors, measurement systems, and analog electronics. Series connections are also useful when analyzing power consumption and resistance. In a series circuit, resistances add together directly. This makes total circuit resistance easy to calculate and predict. However, series circuits also have limitations. Since all components share the same current path, failure of a single component can disable the entire system. For this reason, engineers carefully choose when to use series connections and when other configurations, such as parallel circuits, may be more appropriate. Although many modern systems use parallel circuits, series circuits still appear in everyday applications. One common example is a string of older holiday lights. In some designs, the bulbs are connected in series. If one bulb fails, the circuit opens and all the lights stop working. Another example is a flashlight. The battery, switch, and lamp are often connected in a simple series path. Current flows from the battery, through the switch, through the lamp, and back to the battery. Series resistors are also found in electronic circuits. Engineers use them to limit current, protect components, and create specific voltage levels. When troubleshooting electronics, understanding series behavior helps identify faults quickly. If the current path is interrupted anywhere, the entire circuit stops functioning. This makes series circuits an excellent starting point for learning how electrical systems operate and how engineers analyze real-world circuits. So today, we learned that a series circuit provides only one path for current flow. Because of this, the same current passes through every component, while the source voltage is shared across the circuit. In the next video, we'll explore parallel circuits and see how circuit behavior changes when multiple current paths are available. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and follow for the next lesson.